So, hey there, everybody. I'm Anthony Gitch with Excel Hypnosis out of Seattle, Washington, and I'm here with my good friend Jim Kellner, the co-founder of the Pacific Northwest Hypnosis Conference. And today we are here for our very first speaker spotlight interviews. And we are speaking to Karl Smith, our keynote speaker. Jim, hello.
Hello, Carl. Give it up for Carl, everybody. Yeah, there we go. Hey. Hey, Carl, tell us why you're excited to be speaking at the Pacific Northwest Hypnosis Conference.
Well, I mean, hello everyone, and yeah, at the end of that, I'm excited because it's something that's new, it's something exciting, and I don't think there's been much up that end of the woods, to be quite honest. So I am really looking forward to it. Plus, I know you two fellows, so I do know it's going to be a hit already. But at the end of the day, I'm looking forward to it. I've always supported HT Live. That's where I've met you chaps at. But on the same token, I'm looking forward to meeting new people and then venturing up into another part of the country. So yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome.
Well, we're excited to be having you. And one of the things that Jim and I talked about when we decided to have you or to ask you to be the keynote speaker was that, we were talking about wanting to focus on marrying, in this particular first year, hypnosis and business together. So people have a better understanding of what it is that they're doing to be successful. And then we had you on the podcast and you had mentioned, business first, marketer second, hypnotist third. And so it ended up kind of marrying right into what it was that we wanted to do this year. And so that's where our focus is. Can you tell us a little bit about why you believe that that's the best way to do things?
Is that people get caught up in worried about courses on the next, the next little course that's going to give them that little gem to the holy grail, whether it be very softly melodic type stuff, or your average type of hypnotherapist, or people like myself that are on the other end of the scale, and they're more worried about that. What they're not worried about is setting up their businesses. They're not thinking about budgets. They're not thinking about strategic alignment. They're not thinking about the things they should be thinking. Because if you don't have a business, accounts and all that type of stuff set up, then how can you figure out what your budgets are for your marketing? Understand where I'm coming from. I do not learn business off of hypnotherapists. I do not learn marketing from hypnotherapists. Now, God bless those people that are doing it, but I don't do it. And that's
one of the things. Yeah. That's one of the things that drove this conference, and that's why we have real attorneys coming in to talk about real pitfalls for small business owners. We have real branding photography experts coming in to talk about branding photography, financial experts. We've got experts in their respective fields coming in to teach us about how to be successful, and the great thing is that none of it is going to be any salesy stuff, right? There's no sales and marketing going on. It's just golden nuggets that they can provide to us hypnotists on how to run our businesses better. So that way we can thrive.
And I like to show people how I went from a village therapist to an international trainer. I've literally taught all the way around the world. I've literally got on a plane, gone literally all the way around the world and done that. And I started off. Now, some people may say, I don't want that. That's fine. However, you are a village therapist, a state therapist, a county therapist, people that are only looking for your local area. You can still employ some of the things I'm going to show you and teach you, so you can then make it far easier and far more productive while you're doing it. It's just a mindset thing when I'm talking. It's a mindset about not just thinking about that small little village and a Facebook ad in this small little, colony. We're looking at, branching out a little bit more, maybe even getting an online course, which would blow people's heads up. So one of the key things that I do like seeing is, irrespective of how big your business is, whether you are a village therapist, looking for local communities or whatever, is making their businesses grow and making them understand that you don't have to be an international trainer to have an online presence. You can still offer online presence, an online course, just serving your local community. and making a bigger package, you know, and just making life a lot easier for yourself.
Well, and you do a lot of fun stuff with street hypnosis as well. So
Yeah.
on that Saturday, you know, that Saturday we're doing something that is unheard of really in the hypnosis conference arena. And that Saturday is our big public day that we're pushing off, and we're doing a lot of things geared towards teaching the public about hypnosis and NLP, and having a dedicated space just for hypnotists to interact with the public. And so
yeah.
I think it's going to be a lot of fun for people.
Yeah, I've always maintained that one of the biggest things that people fail to do in this profession is educate the masses.
So this is going to be a lot of fun, and so we appreciate, you know, we appreciate your time today, and we're glad that we were able to connect and get some information out there. You know, I mean, I've got a link to your YouTube channel on the website that is officially out there and running, and so hopefully that'll generate some views to your page, and people will get a little bit to get to know who you are a little bit more, and hopefully come and want to check you out.
If you go to UK Hypnosis Academy, you'll be able to find my YouTube channel there, which is How to Hypnotize UK Hypnosis Academy. So yeah, we've got that at the moment. So yeah, you'll be able to find me on YouTube there, but How to Hypnotize, and that's with an S, not with a Z, because obviously we speak the King's English out there, you'll see it. And yeah.
Well, and it's also a link right on the web page, right above where we're speaking here. There's a link to Karl's YouTube channel there as well.
Absolutely.
Great. I'm really looking forward to it, gents. I really am looking forward to meeting loads of people and making it a success for you as well.
Right.
Thanks a lot, Karl.
Thanks, Karl.
All right. Hey, we want to thank all of you for watching Speaker Spotlight. Please join us in June for 2 full days of learning, connecting, and growing your business at the Pacific Northwest Hypnosis Conference. Head over to the website, PNWHypnosisConference.com. Get all the info over there. And please like, comment, share, do all that great stuff with the video. Take care.
Yep. Talk to you later, folks.